Hello, superstars. You're welcome to La Prince World Academy. My name is Prince Ikilowe. In this short video, I'm going to analyze V711S with you guys. All right, guys. So this is how the market is. The market is on the uptrend. We are using a daily time frame to see the original trend of the market, and you can see this market is clearly going to the upside. It's an uptrend. So what do you do in an uptrend? You draw a trend line. These are a trend line. When you're drawing a trend line, make sure you include the wicks. What is the wick? The wicks are all these things you're seeing. All right, in my next video, I'm going to be teaching people what is candlestick. It's going to be, the next video is going to be candlestick for complete beginners, because most people don't understand all these things called candlesticks. So you watch out for that video to come. All right, so this is the trend of the market. The market has been going higher, higher lows, higher, low. This zigzag movement. But here it got to a point, it stalled. So let's put our resistance line here, horizontal line. So you see, I'm putting, anything I'm putting on the wick, not the body only, not just here. Most people make that mistake of putting the lines or whatever they are drawing on the body of the candle that is in just here. No, you have to put it, this is where the market touch. The wick is where the market actually touch and then bounce back. So this is the wick. Now the market is an uptrend, all right, but it could not take this high. It could not take this high. Let me draw another trend line. It could not take that high. Another horizontal line. This is another touch again. I will say these two places are still the same zone. These two places are still the same zone. All right, they are still the same. Remember, zone is not a straight line, so it means that the market is struggling. It got here on the level of November. It pushed down significantly. It went up again, just a little bit above that line, and then pushed back on the 20th of November 2025. So it means that this is a strong, it has formed a strong zone here, and it's still struggling. So what do? You don't do any buying again, because the market could just crash all the way down here. So I'm expecting this market to either come down here, right? If the market come down here and give us some kind of, that time we're going to be using our counter trend line. But ideally, before you look for buy opportunity, let this market take all the way up out here. Let it take out these highs and then come back and retest on this trend line. That's when you know that, okay, the market is now forming. It has continued the uptrend that is already started. Let me also see this particular okay, this is another one. Now if the market alternatively for short sell, let me go back to 4 hours time frame. For short sales, all right, because you need to draw more than one trend line sometimes. This is another trend line. For short sales, we can even sell this market the way it is, because it could not take these lows, these highs could not take it out, right? So it means that the buyers are weak. So alternatively, if this market breaks out of this trend line, this first one here, and then give us a retest, we can sell from the retest down to this one here. Then we can now from there watch the market again until the market takes out all these ones. If it breaks out of this place and retest, we'll sell. If it breaks out of this one here, this first one here, and retest here, we'll sell. Then we'll sell and take our profit maybe down here. All right, our stop loss will be a little bit above. And then before we look for a buy opportunity, we'll make sure the market breaks out of all this high and come back and retest our either this particular trend line or this one before we now look for buy opportunities. Otherwise, if we break out of this, also break out of it and retest, we'll continue selling. So guys, this is how you analyze market using higher time frame too. But when you are selling, remember you must enter with lower time frame, like 5 minutes or even 1 minute. When you are actually entering the market, you enter with lower time frames, 1 minute or even 5 minutes. All right, I hope you enjoyed the video. Join the La Prince World Academy, join our Telegram channel, and also use the link below this bio to create your account, with Deriv and start trading indices and make money every single day. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.